Viewers, welcome to Murad's Kitchen. Today we're gonna show you how to make beautiful naan at home. First of all, we need some flour. We got some flour. We're gonna add bit of baking powder. We will put some yogurt. We'll put a little bit of milk, and we're going to put some warm water. We'll add some salt to taste. We'll add some black sesame seed. We'll put an egg. We are mixing it, and we're gonna, if we need a little bit more water, we're gonna add a bit more water at a time. We're gonna put a couple of spoons of vegetable oil. Viewers, we make the dough, we knead them. Now we're gonna keep it to rest at least an hour. Viewers, now we take our dough. After an hour, this is our dough. Now we're gonna make a little balls. Viewers, we make it like a small dough shape. We knead the dough. Viewers, that's our dough. We're gonna roll them now. Viewers, the way you're gonna do that with the naan, you put it on the side first. Make it flat. Viewers, then you take on your hand. That's done. Look at that. It's ready to go to the pan. We're gonna brush a bit of oil or ghee, whatever you feel like, on the pan. We are going to put a little bit of water on the other side. Viewers, look at that. It's coming, a little bit of bubbles comes to the naan. But we cannot do that in a very high flame. In the restaurant, they does it in a very high tandoor. But when you do it in a tawa, it's got to be medium to lower medium heats. Now we're going to turn it over. Look at that. We take it out from the pan and we put it in the fire. Viewers, look at that. How beautiful they look. This is my beautiful naan bread. We're gonna brush a bit of butter on top. Viewers, look at that beautiful naan. I'm gonna show you on the other side of the naan. They look lovely and beautiful. This side is on the pan first, and this is the top bit. Viewers, they look yummy, they smell delicious. Enjoy and bon appetit. Viewers, we roll another dough. Now we're gonna make a garlic naan out of it. We're gonna put some chopped garlic on top. We're gonna add some fresh coriander as well. So we put some fresh garlic, fresh coriander. We're gonna make sure we're gonna push them. In the pan, we put a little bit of oil. Look at that, how nicely they are cooking. And you can see the bubbles is coming out. Viewers, we're going to turn it over. Look at that. How cute they look. Viewers, we take the naan bread and we put it in the burner. We're going to put a little bit of butter on top. Viewers, look at that, my beautiful garlic and coriander naan. Viewers, look at my beautiful homemade plain naan and a garlic and coriander naan. They looks lovely and delicious. Yum yum. Enjoy and bon appetit.